The automotive industry has been undergoing a massive transformation in recent years. Internal combustion engine vehicles are increasingly being replaced by electric models. This shift not only aims to protect the environment, but also represents a leap forward in technology, design, and driving quality. One of the brightest examples of this new era is the Avatr 07 model. Developed through a joint venture between Changan, Huawei, and KATL, this electric SUV has captured the attention of the automotive world in both technical and functional aspects. Design and exterior. The exterior design of the Avatr 07 is based on modern and aerodynamic lines. The sharp LED headlights and closed grille at the front emphasize its electric nature. The car measures 4,825 millimeters in length, 1,980 millimeters in width, and 1,620 millimeters in height. Its 2,940 millimeter wheelbase ensures a spacious cabin. With an aerodynamic drag coefficient of 0.259, the Avatr 07 surpasses its competitors in both performance and energy efficiency. Powertrains and platform. The Avatr 07 is available in both BEV, battery electric vehicle, and EREV, extended range electric vehicle versions. This approach offers consumers flexibility and models tailored to different needs. BEV versions. Rear-wheel drive, RWD, powered by a 252 kilowatt, approximately 338 horsepower motor. According to CLTC tests, it can travel up to 650 kilometers on a full charge. All-wheel drive, AWD. Dual motors provide 440 kilowatts, 590 horsepower of power. This version accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.9 seconds. EREV versions. RWD features a 1.5-liter gasoline generator and a 231 kilowatt electric motor. Offers 230 kilometers on electric power alone and more than 1,100 kilometers in total range. AWD. With an additional front motor, total power reaches 362 kilowatts, approximately 485 horsepower. This version delivers 220 kilometers of electric-only range. These figures position the Avatr 07 not only as a top performer among electric SUVs, but also as a standout vehicle in terms of overall performance. Interior and technology. The interior of the Avatr 07 stands out with its futuristic design and high-tech features. The most eye-catching element is the 15.6-inch central touchscreen. This screen controls all vehicle functions and runs on Huawei's Harmony OS 4.0. The system offers AI support, cloud-based features, and smart home integration capabilities. A 35.4-inch 4K heads-up display under the windshield provides an innovative information interface for the driver. Additionally, two 6.7-inch side displays replace traditional mirrors. The sound system, branded British Treasure, includes 25 speakers delivering 2,016 watts of power. It offers a concert hall-like experience. The seats are built using zero-gravity technology, ensuring maximum comfort and support even on long journeys. Safety and autonomous driving. Avatr 07 also excels in safety. The Huawei ADS 3.0 autonomous driving system brings semi-autonomous capabilities to the vehicle. A total of 27 sensors, including LiDAR, radar, and cameras, help the car perceive its environment. With this technology, the vehicle offers automatic parking, lane keeping assistance, object and pedestrian detection, emergency braking, and other advanced safety features. Additionally, systems that monitor the driver's attention warn of fatigue or distraction, thereby reducing accident risks. Battery technology and charging. The battery of the Avatr 07 is composed of high-density lithium-ion cells produced by CATL. Thanks to fast-charging technology, it can charge up to 80% in just 30 minutes. This makes it highly practical for both city and long-distance use. In the EREV versions, The internal combustion engine is used solely for energy generation. This results in fuel savings and reduced carbon emissions. Price and availability. The Avatr 07 was initially launched in the Chinese market. Its price is as follows. BV version, 229,900 yuan, approximately 33,000 US dollars. EREV version, 219,900 yuan, approximately 31,000 US dollars. This pricing positions it as a high-tech yet affordable electric SUV, making it competitive in the market. There are expectations that the Avatr 07 will eventually enter European and other international markets. Comparison with competitors. When compared with other models in the market, the Avatr 07's advantages become more evident. Against rivals like the Tesla Model Y, NIO ES6, and Xpeng G9, it offers longer electric-only range in EREV versions, more advanced multimedia and display systems, a more luxurious and comfortable cabin, competitive pricing and stylish design. The involvement of technology giants like Huawei and CATL adds to its credibility and technological edge. Conclusion. The Avatr 07 is opening a new chapter in the electric SUV segment. With a spacious cabin, smart features, long-range battery capabilities, and powerful performance, this vehicle is an ideal choice for both families and tech-savvy individuals. Thanks to its advanced safety systems, AI-driven functions from Huawei, and eco-friendly manufacturing approach, the Avatr 07 is not just a vehicle, it is a lifestyle of the future.